In the secretive corridors of Algorithm Lab, there is this guy. Not the Breaking Bad one, but the resemblance is uncanny. Walter is just a regular data scientist with a passion for machine learning. So one day, Walter stumbles upon his mysterious dataset. I won't believe what I've just stumbled upon. There is this mysterious dataset connected to an algorithm called blue correlation. Oh yeah? I heard rumors the other day about the groundbreaking medical stuff our company did. It might also be connected to some illegal activities, like sneaky data access. That cannot be right. Algorithm Lab is a very ethical lab and I'll prove it. Hey Jesse, I shouldn't say the obvious. No one should know about this. Walter drives into the data trying to crack the blue correlation code using all the fancy algorithms and models he made. And guess what? He started finding correlations that make it look like Algorithm Lab is up to some seriously shady business. And now, Walter's is at a crossroad. Does he do the right thing and expose the Algorithm Lab dark side? Or does he let his prior beliefs bias his conclusion and lead him down a path of personal gain? But here's the twist. Confirmation bias starts messing with Walter's head. He gets fixated on proving that Algorithm Lab is a good lab. He took every piece of data that confirmed his prior beliefs. And he conveniently forgot about any other explanations. Walter bias blinds him to the data point that might suggest Algorithm Lab is bad. See, Jesse? The data speaks about itself. I didn't fabricate anything. You are genius, Mr. White. You just proved your point using the data. Wait, isn't that a confirmation bias? To overcome this, your analysis need to be peer-reviewed. Not only that, results need to be reproducible. As the blue correlation algorithm got accidentally leaked, causing chaos in the medical market, Walter, once a hero of the data science, finds himself knee-deep in the mess he created. The aftermath hits him hard. The consequences of his biased choices hit him like a ton of bricks, and he realizes the extent of harm caused by Algorithm Lab dark applications. I regret it. I lost my credibility. Don't be like me and be careful of confirmation bias. So, the story of Walter White becomes a warning sign for all data scientists out there. A reminder that letting bias drive your decisions can lead to some mysteriously messed up consequences. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Breaking Bias in Data Science, and don't forget to watch the rest of the episodes. And if you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe.